Welcome to my channel. Asus RT-AC51U Wi-Fi repeater setup instructions. Step 1. Plug in the router and power it on. Connect your computer to the router via an Ethernet cable or wirelessly. Step 2. Open a web browser and enter http://192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Log in with the default username and password, which are usually both admin if you haven't changed them. Step 3. Once logged in, go to the administration section on the left-hand side. Click on the Operation Mode tab. Select Repeater Mode and click Save. Step 4. The router will then restart in repeater mode. After restarting, it will scan for available wireless networks. Select the network you want to extend. Step 5. Enter the password for the network you want to repeat. Click Connect. Step 6. Set the IP address of the repeater. Usually, it's set to be different from the main router to avoid IP conflicts, e.g., if the main router's IP is 192.168.1.1, you can set the repeater to 192.168.1.2. Click Apply to save the settings. Step 7. The router will apply the settings and restart. Once restarted, the Asus RT-AC51U should be extending your Wi-Fi network. Step 8. Connect a device to the repeater network and check if you have internet access. You can also check the connection status from the Asus router interface. Thanks for watching.